If you own a Google Pixel 10 or you're planning to buy one soon, this video is for you because today we're looking at some of the best hidden features on the Google Pixel 10 features that can make your phone smarter faster and much more useful every day. So stay until the end because some of these tools are hidden inside the settings and many users never discover them. Let's get started. Number 1, now playing. One of the coolest Pixel exclusive features is Now Playing. Your phone can automatically recognize songs playing around you without opening any app. The song title and artist appear right on your lock screen, and your phone even saves a history, so you can find the music again later. If you love music, this is one feature you'll probably use every day. Number 2, circle to search. Instead of taking screenshots, copying text, or opening a browser, you can simply circle almost anything on your screen. The Pixel instantly searches for products, place, images, or information. Without leaving the app you're using, it's one of the fastest ways to search for anything on your phone. Number 3, Magic Editor. The Pixel 10 camera includes powerful AI editing tools. With Magic Editor, you can remove unwanted objects, improve lighting, move subjects, or enhance your photos with just a few taps. It makes editing pictures much easier, even if you've never edited photos before. Number 4, call screen. Spam calls are becoming more common every year, but Pixel phones include one of the smartest solutions. Call Screen lets Google Assistant answer unknown calls for you. It asks who's calling, why they're calling, and shows the conversation on your screen before you decide whether to answer. It's a simple feature, but one that can save you a lot of time. Number 5, Recorder with live transcription. The Recorder app does much more than record audio. It can automatically convert speech into text while you're recording, making it easy to search meetings, lectures, or interviews later. This is especially useful for students, journalists, or anyone who takes a lot of notes. Number 6, battery charging optimization. The Pixel 10 learns your daily charging routine. Instead of charging to 100% immediately, it slows charging overnight and finishes charging shortly before you normally wake up. This helps reduce battery wear and can extend your battery's lifespan over time. Now, let's be honest, most people buy the Google Pixel because of its camera, but Google's software is actually one of the biggest reasons these phones stand out. Many of these hidden features work quietly in the background, making your phone smarter without requiring extra effort from you. Once you start using them, it's hard to imagine going back to a regular Android phone. So to summarize, some of the best hidden Google Pixel 10 features include Now Playing. Circle to search, Magic Editor, call screen recorder with live transcription, and battery charging optimization. Because honestly, it's these small hidden features that make the Google Pixel 10 one of the smartest smartphones you can buy in 2026.